In the previous tutorial we've covered the main menu and how to unpublish and publish the items and change the order of them. And in this tutorial we're just going to cover how to edit the existing menu items and how to add new ones. The first thing we need to do, of course, is to log into the administration control panel, and you'll find yourself at the dashboard. Navigate across to the menus item there and then to the menu that we're wanting to edit. So that's the main menu there. This brings us to the menu manager for the main menu and shows the menu items. If we need to change where these items link to, you first need to understand that they are actually only text links, and we need to have a target for them to go to. So in these cases here, you'll see the menu item types are set to single articles, and that means that we have to have articles already made in order to point them somewhere. I'll go in to edit the About Us page in this demo, and you do that by either selecting the article here, clicking the edit button at the top, or by simply clicking into the title there. Here we have the edit menu item screen, and it's quite self-explanatory really. It's looking there for a menu item type, which in this case, as I said before, is an article, and the menu title, and then the article that we're actually going to point the menu to. If I want to change the title, I can basically just type into it, change it to whatever I'd like it to be, and the alias then will need to be deleted so that we don't have a page called About Us and an alias of something else. If we delete the alias and save the page, the alias will be generated itself automatically, and then the URL that the page is on will correspond to that. I'll actually give you an example. If I change this to contact, and then I just delete the alias, press save, you'll see that the alias now has been automatically generated. If I go to the front of the website and press home or refresh the page, you'll see now that we've got a link there called contact rather than About Us. We need that to be About Us, so because that's what our website is all about. So we'll remove the alias again, press save, refresh the page, and you see we've got an About Us menu item back again. So we're just going to select the article that we want this to point to. If I click the button select change, it brings up this screen here, which is really an overview of the menu, the article manager, and that shows all of the articles in it, and we can filter these just as you do in the article manager and choose testimonials or uncategorized or just search by a name. So we've got the About Us article here which we're pointing to already. If I want to change it to the Contact Us instead, you can see here it's changed. Press save. It tells you that the menu item has been successfully saved, and when you refresh the page, the links will update. So when I click on the About Us link now, it will actually go to the Contact Us page. You can see Contact Us. So we have basically two pages going to the Contact Us page, which isn't ideal. So this About Us link really needs to go to the About Us page. So if I select change the article again, choose About Us, you can see it's changed there, press save, and then I'll refresh. The About Us link now goes to the About Us page, so you can see that. So that's how you edit a menu link in Joomla. To add a new menu, it's pretty much the same as editing them. You'll see at the very top menu, you can go over the menu that you'd like to add the item to and click on Add New Menu Item, or you can just click the New button there on the top right corner. We've already created our article called Project, and we basically need to add that to the menu here. so we can link to it. So first thing we'll do is select the type, which, as we've said before, is a single article in this case. I'm going to call this my project. Alias will stay empty, as I said, because that generates itself. We'll select change the article by clicking on this button here. That gives us the overview again of the article manager. My projects article has been created in there already, which I'll click on. And the status there is published. The menu is the main menu, and the parent item is the main menu. So there's no sub menu or anything like that. To create sub menus of items, you just basically choose what that should be a sub menu of. So these would be the parents, so obviously they're the menu items that exist at the moment. We want this to be a top level menu item, so we don't need to create it as a sub menu. We just click save. You'll see the menu item has been successfully saved. The alias is my project, it's been done automatically. And if we go to the front of the website and we click refresh, my projects is now in there. So if I click on that, it goes to the article that we've set up previously. So that's basically how you set up new menu items and edit them.